Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a bunch of different slimes without glue. You can use any type of flour for this first slime. Now add a little bit of water. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you some more slime recipes without glue. Congratulations to Stephanie Bullock who won our last slime kit giveaway. We'll do our next one at 1 million subscribers. For this first slime without glue, I'm going to let Kim show you how to make it.
Hi guys, we're going to start out with 2 tablespoons of 3-in-1 shampoo. Now we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of body wash. Just mix it up till it comes together.
For this next recipe, we're going to need 100% acetone nail polish remover and a styrofoam cup. Just put the cup in the nail polish remover and watch it melt. Time. really cool is you can put your slime back into the nail polish remover and turn it into a paper plate. How cool is that? Who wants to make slime you can eat? Heat is 3 marshmallows per tablespoon of Nutella. Put your marshmallows in the microwave for just a few seconds at a time until they come out and they're like really soft and jiggly. Now just add that oh so delicious thing. You can actually probably melt a candy bar and do the same thing. After you stir it up, just let it set for maybe 10 to 20 minutes and enjoy. Man, this stuff is good. It tastes just like a Tootsie Roll.